Well, we're ready to put this together, and I'm really excited to see how it looks, especially since I know how good it tastes. Okay, this is our surprise center pan with both of the sections in it. And if you can see, we have the little holes in the cornbread. And I just pulled some of my chili out of the freezer. And this is my Wakeup Chili. So if you want the recipe for it, go on the video where I'm making it. It's really good. And I make quite a bit of it. And I put it in the freezer. And then I have it when I'm ready for it. Okay, shredded some cheese. So let's put some cheese around. It's got to look pretty too. Can't take it to the table when there's a little bit of a mess. Okay, finish the cheese. Now here's a fun little thing I do. I took a bell pepper and I cut it in half, and I'm actually putting the sour cream in it like a bowl. Putting it in the center. And you can put whatever your chili toppings, your favorite chili toppings are. But I have some fresh chives in my garden. And instead of onions, I'm putting fresh chives. And here we are. I think I'll name this Chili Cornbread Supreme. Wow, is that not beautiful? Okay. So I'll cut into it and take some pictures of it and let you see what it looks like. Don't forget, we made them in our cast iron. These little individual ones. This is the way it looks. You can make it in a big cast iron. You can make it in our surprise center pans. But I really would love to hear how you make it and how you like it. So please leave me comments. Please share this when you find out you really love it. Leave me comments. Let me know where you're watching me from. I really like to see that. I like to see comments from all over the country. And as I always say, give someone your beautiful smile today. Really warms your heart, even on a bad day. And you know, you just could make someone else's day. Come back to see me often. Subscribe to my channel. Like my Facebook page. Let me know when you make this. And see you soon.